Hello, I'm Brian Tracy, and I want to talk to you about the Bill Gove speech workshop, which is given by my dear friend Steve Seabold. Bill Gove and I were friends for many years. Bill Gove has stayed in my home. We've had dinner together on countless occasions all over the country, and I was so impressed with his speaking ability that I hired him for 2 days to give me personally his speech workshop in my offices right here. And it was the most amazing experience. He taught me things about speaking, about openings, about moving audiences, about changing, pausing, about drama, about humor that I still use today every time I speak. Since I went through Bill's personal workshop, I have spoken to probably another 2 or 3 million people, and I've spoken in 52 countries. And I get standing ovations almost every single time because of the incredible techniques I learned from Bill Gove in the Bill Gove speech workshop. So what I suggest that you do, if you're thinking of speaking, if you want to be a speaker, if you are a speaker, I started training with Bill Gove after speaking for 10 years. And I felt like a child starting over again. I had no idea how little I knew about the profession of speaking until I began to work with Bill. So if you are in speaking, if you want to get into speaking, remember that professional speaking is the highest paid single profession in the world. You can make thousands of dollars for a single hour or even less of speaking. Some people get as much as $25,000 to speak for 20 minutes. Some people get even more to speak for 20 minutes if they're big politicians. But the critical thing is your ability and your level of skill. And the Bill Gove Speech Workshop can make you one of the best speakers in the business, transform your financial life, open up your career for you, and enable you to achieve all your personal dreams. So register for the workshop today. Don't hesitate. Get on with it, move, and then learn everything you possibly can, and then apply it every single time you stand up in front of an audience.